Many customers are concerned about how the machine is packaged and shipped after it's completed. Let me demonstrate the entire process. Step 1. Turn off the power. Then the electrician will pack the electrical cabinet, clean the machine, and organize the accessories. If the machine width exceeds the container limit, the gantry will be disassembled. Step 2. Touch up paint. Grease the rack and guide rails to prevent rust during transportation. Step 3. Count the included accessories. A forklift will place the machine on a steel pallet, and the checked accessories will be stacked onto the machine. Step 4. Wrapping rope. Angle irons will be used to secure the machine bed to the base, and steel strapping will be used to reinforce the accessories. Step 5. Cover with a rainproof tarp and wrap for reinforcement. Step 6. Use a forklift to gently place the machine into the container. Now the machine has been properly packaged and shipped. Please rest assured and wait for delivery.